From keeping kitchens tidy with sleek paper towel and Q-tip holders to elevating home comfort with ergonomic chairs, air purifiers, and spa-like showers, these carefully selected products blend style, practicality, and convenience. Each item makes daily routines easier, efficient, and enjoyable. All products links in the description section below. Whether you're cooking in an RV, a small apartment, or a busy family kitchen, this cookware set fits seamlessly into everyday life. The Astercook non-stick RV pots and pans make cooking feel lighter and more flexible, from quick breakfasts to full dinner spreads. The removable handle is a game changer, letting you move from stovetop to oven, then stack everything neatly away without clutter. Cleanup is just as stress-free thanks to the smooth ceramic non-stick surface, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your space. It works across induction, gas, and ceramic cooktops, making it a reliable choice wherever life takes you. If you love practical tools that simplify cooking without sacrificing quality, this set is worth trying at $59.99, making everyday cooking feel effortless. If your kitchen doubles as a living space, travel hub, or busy family zone, the Corrode 17-piece pots and pan set feels made for your lifestyle. Cooking becomes smoother when one set handles breakfast on the stovetop, dinner in the oven, and leftovers straight into the fridge. The removable handle clicks on securely, then comes off to save serious cabinet space, making it ideal for RVs, apartments, or minimalist kitchens. Its granite non-stick surface means less oil, faster cleanup, and more time enjoying meals instead of scrubbing pans. Even better, the sleek design looks great when serving straight from pan to table. For anyone who values flexibility, convenience, and everyday reliability, this set is easy to enjoy at $49.99 that fits modern cooking routines. Turning an everyday shower into a calming reset is easier when the right upgrade is in place. The Near Moon Rain Shower Head brings a spa-like feel into your bathroom, whether you're unwinding after a long day or starting your morning refreshed. The wide square rainfall head delivers steady, high-pressure flow, while the handheld option lets you switch modes for muscle relaxation, gentle mist, or focused rinsing. Built-in filtration helps reduce impurities, making each shower feel cleaner and more soothing on your skin and hair. It's practical too, with a flexible hose that works great for kids, pets, and quick bathroom cleanups. Easy installation means no tools, no stress, just instant comfort. If your daily routine could use a little luxury, this upgrade at $43.89 elevates your daily shower routine. Long workdays feel very different when your chair supports both productivity and comfort. The EMIAH office chair fits naturally into a home office where work, focus, and short breaks all share the same space. With a high-back ergonomic design, built-in lumbar support, and a smooth reclining range, it lets you stay comfortable during intense tasks and fully relax when it's time to lean back. The retractable footrest adds an extra layer of ease for quick rests between meetings or late-night work sessions. Wrapped in soft, easy-to-clean PU leather, it also adds a polished, executive look to your setup. If your workspace deserves an upgrade that feels as good as it looks, this chair at $149.99 supports comfort throughout your workday routine. Small details can make a big difference in how organized and calming your space feels, especially in the bathroom. These bamboo Q-tip holders add a clean, modern touch while keeping everyday essentials neatly in place. From cotton swabs and pads to hair ties and floss picks, everything stays visible, dry, and easy to grab during busy mornings or relaxed nighttime routines. The clear jars paired with natural bamboo lids blend beautifully with modern, minimalist, or farmhouse-style decor without taking up much counter space. They're also versatile enough to work in guest bathrooms, bedrooms, or even an office setup. If you enjoy a tidy space that feels intentional and effortless, this six-pack at $13.99 brings simple organization to your daily routine with style. A tidy bathroom morning sets the tone for the rest of the day. and this toothbrush holder makes that routine feel more organized and stress-free. Designed for families, it keeps toothbrushes, toothpaste, razors, and grooming tools neatly separated with adjustable dividers that adapt to your needs. The built-in drainage and ventilation help everything dry properly, which is especially helpful in busy bathrooms shared by kids and adults. Its freestanding, anti-slip design stays stable on the counter, while the clean, modern look blends easily with different decor styles. Easy to take apart and clean, it removes the hassle from daily upkeep. If you want a simple upgrade that keeps your countertop clutter-free, this holder at $13.99 improves your everyday bathroom routine effortlessly. A full-length mirror can completely change how a space feels, and this wood-floor mirror adds both function and quiet elegance to your daily routine. Whether it's checking an outfit before heading out or getting ready for a relaxed evening at home, the tall mirror gives you a clear, head-to-toe view in one glance. The solid wood frame brings warmth and style to bedrooms or living areas, while the clever rotating base doubles as a coat rack to keep jackets and bags within reach. It's a smart solution for staying organized without sacrificing design. Built with durable, shatter-resistant glass, it feels as reliable as it looks. If you enjoy practical furniture that elevates your space, this mirror at $239.99 completes your room with purpose and style. Clean air quietly changes how comfortable your home feels, especially when you're sharing space with pets, kids, or long workdays indoors. The Muka air purifier blends easily into daily life, working in the background to freshen large rooms while you relax, sleep, or focus. Its smart air quality display gives real-time feedback, and auto mode adjusts performance so you don't have to think about it. Pet mode is especially helpful for tackling hair and lingering odors, while the washable filter keeps maintenance simple and affordable. With whisper quiet sleep settings, it supports restful nights without disruption. If you want your home to feel lighter, fresher, and more breathable every day, this purifier at $79.99 helps create a healthier living environment effortlessly. Laundry days become a lot less chaotic when you have the right tools, and these HomeHacks laundry baskets fit seamlessly into everyday life. With a large 7.5L capacity, each basket easily holds clothes, pillows, or even toys, making them perfect for busy families, dorms, or shared apartments. The freestanding design keeps them upright, even when empty, while reinforced handles make carrying heavy loads effortless. Waterproof inner lining protects clothes and makes cleanup quick and simple, and the collapsible frame means storage is no hassle when not in use. Sleek, modern, and practical, these baskets help keep your space organized without extra effort. If you're ready for a more manageable laundry routine, this 2-pack at $12.99 makes sorting and carrying effortless. Keeping your kitchen organized doesn't have to be complicated, and this paper towel holder makes daily cleanups effortless. The Zunto under cabinet holder frees up counter space while keeping paper towels within easy reach for spills, prep, or quick wipe downs. Its rust-proof stainless steel construction ensures durability and a sleek look that complements any kitchen style. Self-adhesive installation means no drilling, no tools, and no permanent changes. Just peel, stick, and it's ready to go. Whether mounted vertically or horizontally, it adapts to your space and daily routine. If you want a simple, practical upgrade that keeps your kitchen tidy and functional, this holder at $11.99 makes everyday cleanups easier and more efficient. Keeping floors spotless can feel like a full-time job, but the O-Cedar EasyWring microfiber spin mop makes it surprisingly effortless. Designed for busy homes, its hands-free wringing system keeps your hands dry, while the splash guard contains water during cleaning. The triangular microfiber mop head reaches corners, edges, and under furniture, capturing dust, dirt, and pet hair with ease. No harsh chemicals required. Telescopic handle adjusts up to 48 inches, making mopping comfortable for everyone. Machine washable heads last for months, saving time and money on replacements. Sleek, Practical and efficient, it's perfect for daily cleaning or deep weekend scrubs. If you want floors that feel fresh and immaculate without the hassle, this system at $39.96 transforms your routine effortlessly. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.